Las Vegas. I know you're a big fan of Iron Man, and Bentley, Iron Man is a big fan of yours. I'm here giving a shout out right now from Las Vegas all the way to Texas where you are to give a shout out to you and your mom. I know that you guys have been through some stuff and your father left you recently, but Bentley, I just want you to know Iron Man here at Real Heroes in Las Vegas is pulling for you. I want you to be strong and remember, young man, get out there and be a real hero and just have fun and romp and stomp and take care of mom. And mom, this is a shout out to you. One of these days, hopefully we'll be able to come out and see Bentley and to see you guys and have a little party. Maybe I'll bring out some of my friends. But this is a shout out to you guys because Iron Man is in your corner. The Avengers is coming out, and I want you guys to know that we're here for you. We're pulling for you. It's right here in Las Vegas. We're real heroes. And I know that you guys are real heroes because I know you've been through some stuff, but I know that you're going to pull through, and I know that you're going to be strong. Bentley, Iron Man loves you, and I want you to know, buddy,